Hi there, Jamie Keat here today at Teachers Tech. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I want to show you a tip in Prezi to enhance your presentation, and that's using 3D backgrounds to get this effect right here. So you can place different images in, and as you zoom up into different parts, into the different frames, you will zoom past and gives that depth in your presentation to enhance it. So let's take a look at how we can do this very quickly. There's a few different ways you can take advantage of Prezi's 3D backgrounds here. First thing, you could use their templates. Their templates have it all built in for you. So for example, if I just was to grab, I'll just go to the more here. Let me just grab this bright lights one, and I'm just going to start this one and show you on this template. So if you want to take advantage of the pre-made ones, you can see with the background, if I just click through it, how with the background it adjusts to each frame, giving that 3D effect on it. So you can just go ahead and use those. What I want to do is I'm just going to go back and create a new Prezi from here. Let's just close down this one. And I'm going to create a blank one here, and I'm just going to start with one image, and then I'm going to do the three image layered ones too. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the blank Prezi here. So you can grab a picture to put it in the background if you're not using a template, and to do that, all you have to do is go up to Customize here, and then you can choose a file from here. So when I hit choose file, I have some images that I have ready here. I'm just going to choose the one image here. And when you choose one, it should be at least 3000 pixels across. But if it's too large, it will say it like this: it's too large. Do you want to adjust it? So you can resize the image. So in this case of the stars here, it will load up here. And now what I can do, as I insert my different frames, so if I put in a smaller one here, you can see it gives that effect if I was going back and forth, that 3D feeling of the movement in it. So just that, this is why you need a rather large image, because if you didn't, as you zoomed up, it's not going to look very well. So I could even add, let's say, another frame into here, and as I get to my third one, you can still see it maintains a good quality here. So as I go around the image, it looks very good. The other thing is, when you're putting your frames in, don't put it right close to the edge here. Keep it inside where you're going to work. So the last thing I want to show you is how do you get that layered effect here, and I'm just going to create a brand new Prezi for that one too. And it's very easy to do. You're just going to hit the customize here one again. I'll let this load up here. And so when you go to the customize one this time here, I'm just going to hit my blank one. So I go up to customize up top up here, and I'm just going to move down to the bottom here. You can see where it says advanced. I'm going to click that. You can see I have 3D backgrounds right here. I'm going to click edit here, and I'm going to upload. So you can upload up to 3 one at a time. So I'm going to go upload. I'll hit my one here, open. And again, it's going to tell me it's too large here. So it shouldn't matter if you pick something a little too large. It should adjust it for you. I'm just going to pick my 3 different ones here and resize image. And my last one here, number 3 here. And then what I'm going to have to do is just hit done twice here when these are uploaded here. So I'm going to hit done here, and I'm going to hit done here. So you can see now at this point, as I zoom up a third of the way, you're going to see the background change. I'll just close down this customization here. So if I zoom up about a third of the way, you're going to see it actually start to change here. And then if I go in another third of the way, then it changes again here. So when you insert your frames, so if I zoom out here, so let's say if I was here and I'll insert another frame here. I'll put it here. So now the effect, when I go zoom up to my next one, you can see it gets that transition effect. So if you're telling a story or something using Prezi, this is a great way to make that, to just add that effect and enhance your presentation. So I could hit another one. I'll add another one. And as I go into my third frame, it's going to change again. So, and that's how you create it. So going back to my first one out here, you can see it adds that effect. And so you got to make sure you place your frames at the correct spots so that you don't want it right on the edge. You want to make sure it's at the right spot where you put your content. I could put more content, like text and everything in it. And then you get that, again, just that little bit better presentation. Your audience is going to appreciate it a bit more. And I think it tells a better story. So I hope you like this tip today in Prezi. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a few people. And remember, I do these weekly tech tips here at Teachers Tech. So hit that subscribe button if you like. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.